So everybody knows that Adobe Acrobat is the primary resource for making PDFs. But if I have a Word document and I don't have Adobe Acrobat and I want to turn it into a PDF, we can do that, right? Word can save it as a PDF. But one of the advantages of Acrobat is all of the protection features. So Word has a way to have some protection features as well. So let's take a look at that. So we have our document and we go up to File. And inside of File, we're going to go down to Info. And inside of Info, we have Protect Document. And I click on Protect Document and Restrict Editing. And the window opens up on the right. So you can see I've already got Restrict Editing on, right? So this document is protected. I can stop protection down here, putting in the password, because that's a familiar feature we're used to. If you haven't done protecting a password, that's what you do. Protect it, and then inside Restrict Editing, you say, what do you want to restrict, right? Allow restrictions, no changes, and then start enforcing protection. And this is where you can set a password. Now, one of the tricks is you don't have to set a password. So you can actually leave it blank and it will start protecting the document, which means you can't change it, right? And save it. Well, once this is done, it's protected. It can't be edited. And then you can go to the file and then you can save a copy of it and change it from Word document to a PDF and save. So now this document is a protected PDF document. It's one that nobody can edit. If they have the PDF and they decide to go to Word and open it in Word, it's going to open in Word, but it'll be protected. It can't be edited. So it gives you some of those protections that Adobe Acrobat does, while still maintaining the Microsoft Word feel. All right, so that's a workaround on how to create a protected PDF without having Adobe Acrobat. So make sure you follow us, like it, subscribe to it, share it. More of these out there, so make sure you check out the whole channel.